Good morning. Hi. Dada. Dada. Hi, baby. She's been doing the whole fishy face.
Fishy? That's a fishy. 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 She looks kind of tired.
Well, got another hour. Yeah. That noise is fantastic.
She's like, what the heck? I love that overbite. See you later, girl.
High five.
Whatever.
I know. I saw it. That was so cool.
Okay, showcase.
Yeah.
You're gonna need to break. Good job. Can you wave?
Oh. Scariest boy on the planet.
It really is.
Your face was like stocking. Hi. Are you clean?
Oh my gosh, I'm so zoomed in on your face. It's so beautiful.
No.
Aww.
Little babby. What does the airplane say? Oh, that was awesome. Her bubble. But it does not say. I mean, if you look away, potentially.
Oh, she's got the muffins.
She's got the muffins.
Do you know the Muffin Man?
He apparently does. That's gonna catch you in the face.
It absolutely is.
Okay. It absolutely is. I want one of those dusty planes.
She like likes it until it hits her, and then she's like, "Oh, wait a second."
Yeah.
She looked at you like, "Why aren't you doing it? Are you gonna do it?" Her face. Oh no, are we all done? Okay, we can be all done. Do you want to see it? Maybe just one more. Maybe just one.
Hey everybody, I've been non-existent today, huh? For me playing drums, I couldn't record because there was just like nowhere for me to put you guys. No, I know, because I normally have like a stool right next to me, but I only had like a music stand, and it would have been really awkward because you could see it. Yeah. So anyway, I'll turn this on so you guys can actually see me. We're gonna go home now. I've missed you guys. So here's a hug. I hope you feel better.
Okay guys, it's time for me to go to bed. It's like 10. What time is it? 9:47 to be exact. And I'm gonna go to bed. I'm so exhausted. And I've been up since like 6, which is not a big deal, but I went to bed at 1. And that's not normally my schedule. So I can function on a little bit of sleep. But now is the time for me to go to bed. Cameron and Cody are out working out, and I'm hopefully going to be passed out by the time Cameron gets home. So that is my goal, and I'm probably going to achieve it. So I'm going to go get some sleep. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night.
I'm really tired. I'm like really, really tired. As you can see, Danielle's already sleeping. Sound asleep. We got home and I forgot that Cody and I were gonna go to the gym. And Cody was like, are we gonna go work out? So we went and worked out. And I'm glad I did. It felt good. But now I'm really tired. We will see you guys in the morning. Thanks for always hanging out with us. And we'll see you then. Good night. They just make pancakes and they stamp Clark's face in it.
Oh, those would be awesome. I'd totally order those.
I think they would call those Pam Clarks. Don't you think?
They should. That should be a thing. We should figure out how to do that for Christmas.